Welcome back to GigaBits, the channel where we break down real tech, clean energy innovations, and investment trends so you can understand what's actually worth your time, money, and attention. Today, we're talking about Hyliion Holdings, a company that has been in the spotlight for its ambitious vision to electrify heavy-duty trucking with hybrid and electric power systems. But nearly a decade after its IPO, many people are asking, is Hyliion still worth watching in 2026, or has the story stalled? Let's break it down with actual data, key developments, strengths, risks, and what you need to know before making any decisions. What is Hyliion Holdings? Hyliion Holdings is a company focused on zero-emission and hybrid powertrain systems for commercial trucks. Its mission is to reduce emissions in the heavy transportation sector by offering electrified solutions that can be retrofitted to existing fleets. Over the years, Hyliion has developed several technologies, including hybrid electric powertrains, battery-assisted modules, hydrogen fuel cell integration, fleet electrification software, and data tools. The company's vision has always been to provide more sustainable alternatives to diesel long-haul, one of the hardest segments to decarbonize. Progress and achievements through 2026. In 2026, Hyliion is no longer a conceptual startup. It has delivered hybrid systems to commercial fleet partners, secured strategic collaborations with logistics operators, advanced prototypes integrating hydrogen fuel cells, increased production readiness and testing at scale. It still positions itself as a clean power facilitator rather than a full EV truck maker. Hyliion doesn't sell fully electric trucks like Tesla or Nikola. Instead, it focuses on electrification modules and hybrid tech that can integrate with existing vehicles. Technology and product line overview. Hybrid powertrain systems. Unlike traditional EVs, Hyliion's hybrid systems extend range without replacing the entire vehicle. Battery-assisted modules. These help reduce diesel consumption and emissions by assisting the engine during acceleration, highway driving, and power demand peaks. Hydrogen integration. Hyliion has made progress toward incorporating hydrogen fuel cells to supplement batteries, which could be crucial for zero-emission long-haul operations. Software and data tools. Hyliion also offers fleet management analytics to optimize energy usage, maintenance scheduling, and driver performance. This product makes aims at practical fleet electrification, especially for operators who cannot adopt full EV trucks due to cost, infrastructure, or range limits. Market position and competitive landscape. In 2026, the commercial truck electrification space has become more crowded. Key players include Tesla with Tesla Semi and Energy Ecosystem, Nikola, Cummins, and major engine OEMs pivoting to electrification, traditional truck makers with electric variants. Compared to full EV players, Hyliion's hybrid and modular approach is more accessible for many fleets that need incremental upgrades before committing to full battery electric or hydrogen fuel cell vehicles. But this positioning is a double-edged sword. It fills a gap, but also competes with OEM electrification roadmaps which are rapidly advancing. Financial health and stock performance, 2026. Hyliion has faced challenges common in capital-intensive hardware plays. High R&D and production costs, delayed commercialization timelines, variable revenue visibility, competitive pressures on pricing. Revenue streams have grown as partnerships mature, but profitability remains a longer-term goal. As of 2026, Hyliion is still investing heavily in scaling production and expanding technology integration. Stock volatility has been notable. Shares often react sharply to prototype milestones, delivery announcements, and quarterly earnings that may show limited profits. From an investment perspective, Hyliion remains a high-risk, high-potential growth play rather than a stable value stock. Pros and cons, 2026 reality check. Pros: real products with real deliveries. Focus on practical fleet electrification. Hydrogen roadmap adds future upside. Partnerships in logistics and transportation. Cons: heavy competition from OEM and EV truck makers, profitability not yet fully realized, production scale still trailing EV leaders, stock volatility, and execution risks. Who Hyliion is in 2026. Hyliion makes sense if you bullish on clean transportation infrastructure growth, believe hybrid or electrification modules are practical bridges, want exposure to clean energy hardware innovation, and understand long timelines and execution risk. Hyliion may not be ideal if you're looking for stable, low-risk stocks, expecting short-term gains, or seeking pure electric truck leadership. Final verdict: do you need this in 2026? Hyliion is a legitimate, innovative player in the EV and hybrid transportation ecosystem, but it's not a sure thing. In 2026, it's best seen as a growth-oriented play in clean transport tech, a company with real technology and partners, a contender in fleet electrification with practical hybrid solutions, but it is not yet a market leader like some full EV truck makers, and it faces real execution and competitive hurdles. If this review helped you understand where Hyliion stands in 2026, give the video a like and subscribe to GigaBits for more honest tech and investment breakdowns. Turn on notifications so you don't miss future guides that help you make smarter decisions in tech and finance. See you in the next one on GigaBits.